M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Oh, I don't make plans. I won't go do news next week. But we cannot understand what happen for this country. Oh, when you went show, then very soon, as soon as they buy tickets, comedians will hold small bag like Jehovah's Witness. They'll just come me to like say they want me. I say, oh, put up a band and like my show next week. Come on, they buy tickets, make people know crazy. Wait till they go on. But I don't dare happy with Bonner Boy. You know crazy. One girl just say me they use doggy, give him 500 million. How much people be they buy from for last election? Person when want save the whole nation, the full nation, the form na 100 million. You just want to do doggy. Collect 500 million. I be say if you do cowgirl, you go request for Ikoyi now. Once you get cowgirl, so what you want say, give me the whole Ikoyi. Where we go to stay? Now boys, okay, we now when we say our work normally. Once guests ask us money, we say, I see what I can do. What do we can do now? Baba. Oh, my show don't have you. First of all, let me give a shout out to Ikeli. I don't know where it's down. Ikeli, where is it? Ikeli. Yeah. Oh, my chairman, God bless you. You know how it's bad, You know my show that March started normally. Do you know how bad it is, Mayor Boy? God explain to you problem where they go through. You know, say if you tell her you only go commit suicide. You go because the complaint give me say, bros, the thing get a bit. Yeah, if I tell you my own, the small thing where they offer you, give me the money. Anyway, this Lagos, I don't talk am. Before, what did they promise get on a phone? Baba, they don't come out you for market. You are stranded now, bro. I feel for you. Bro, wait So people there where they use 500 million. No, that's in a room of time. Wait, as in 5, bro. For the first time, 2 wrongs make it right. Because for the girl to expect 500 million for doggy, that's wrong. For Bonner to promise 500 million for doggy, that's wrong. So those 2 wrongs don't make a... Over today, see you. Why you humble like that? Where they worry you? You too humble. I remember when I make one for Jacob Danasi. Now this man make M.O.P do the show. I know it's how they talk. M.O.P nearly drink poison. I tell her, say, you don't say, oh, you just say, before we grow this year, this is easy. So we now they do so people they buy table. When we start with a gift table, then after the show, the man will call the player who won't help you. I know say this is anybody want to go set table for they know they die around. They do. Just say the show now. They hear when is that your show again? They don't say advert. You call say March second. You say I said I knew something was wrong somewhere. March second. Honey, when is that our trip again? Where you go no say na lie? The wife too go call they think the trip. That our trip. You know say the full family they lie. but this comedy work, I don't make up my mind, sha. Thank God. Just day before yesterday, can I don't give me direct number. He say if things hard. So any Nigeria like me, be can I my guy now. Highest are key 2 people. Once they just ask me who I love, I just point anybody who get big forehead. I love and can I kill. Because I saw Tinubu they rule Nigeria like who get target to. Until I say kill them before October 14. Nobody come out. October 14. Because in Nigeria we just dey like orphans. Tinubu they rule Nigeria like who get American passport, Nigeria wants to go there, go collect her. We will go there, and see this life, no let anybody lie for you. Everything has come. The highest scam, mark my word, since I entered this industry. Now, why you? Oh, no. Why not scam? Okay, come on, come. That time will come you, 2006-7. So, Russell, that time would advise us in this industry, you have to have an identity. That you need to represent something. Like people need to know you with something. You know, so that time, bros, they do select. I don't know say na because you don't get money. I just say na your identity, na lie yo. Since why you make money, una don start select this. Even the select church where they street, he nearly born. In secretary name na Celestina, he don sack am. We na that we got to find identity. We don't know say na hustle, Baba be the hustle. Since when you make money, when I say I will select. So me now, as I dey like this now, I don't give a fuck, man. Play that song, make the hear am. I don't try for this work. Play again, Hold on. Two Baba they hear me, you, and they come by the blood. Ah, who be you? Hold on there. You know how many years you crack joke for two Baba to come take your name sing? If you know Yabi, 23 years I did this work. I started work for one company and for BMD now. But Nigerian women, no, that's what she said. Two Baba and now say don't leave Annie. When I say I should have left, but not today. Which day when I agree for our WhatsApp? Like for our WhatsApp group, which day they say husband supposed to leave wife? Because I get one of my guys who won't leave, I don't want to miss calendar. Una they really the Chris. Say should have left, but not today. Not like You get how they tell the time she will say she be a show. This when I see for news, they don't go read all those ashewo for Farm City. They say one of them give DPO infection. Who knows say I give DPO disease make up 3 times. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we're not here to waste time. It's not my night. My own show now, man started. They go there. I know they give free tickets, so. If you know if you can live on. At the time make you all empty. Then because my family, so once I do show, my family know they too come, but they don't know how many people come. Show come from now, my mom can write budget for me. Meanwhile, I don't know why once you put poster, the first girl we will write, nobody say one by you. Because me and my friends will be around to do it. I they miss you now. And see, this period, if Nigerian get check on you, my brother, Nigeria, nothing they work the way they explain them. This country, now the only country, they say the land is green, but everywhere red. Everybody had the chook. Nothing works the way they explain it. Do you know that abroad, if you see somebody collapse, if you go beside the person who collapse, you go see what you take when they collapse. The name of the substance now, knock off. Knock off, don't knock off. One of my guys don't find sleep. 6 days, no fit sleep. He begin ask, what can I take to sleep? They recommend different things. Somebody say, make you drink plenty water. The guy drink water, nothing work. They say, okay, so you have to be exercising. He exercise. They recommend Octalidon. He drink up, nothing. This guy try everything. Nothing work until somebody can recommend Jehovah's Witness book, Awake. As the guy read Awake, he enter coma. Nigeria now they play. Tinubu notice say arise, O compatriot, no they rise again. Now they change the national anthem before they leave us here. Anyway, like I said, we're not here. I'm not here to waste your time. It's not my night. I know this place. I know they say they walk off light. So it's about time. But before then, please do me the honor, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome on stage our father, who at in Lagos, one man who led the pathway that we all follow right now to have a career or a job in this thing that we do. He's seen it all, he's conquered it all. He's done it in Lagos, in Asaba, in Abuja, Port Harcourt, London, US, everywhere you can think of. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the biggest when you talk about stand-up comedy in Africa. So we'll give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the man we call A.Y. All right.
Good evening all. Yeah, I want to say thank you. I'm not going to talk in love now. It's kind of rubbish with that one. And I don't start to. Tomorrow now, my name go DK for G's Lover. I beg. It doesn't say these days, my name, thank God, my name don't come up from media, don't come up for blogs more. And if you know how they pray every day, Father Lord, change this story. Change this story. God go answer my prayer. My neighbor Two-Face, my name go enter. my neighbor, people come, they call me, hey, why? Have you checked on your neighbor? Check on your neighbor. I said, check what? When my own happen, when you check on me? Say, check on your neighbor. No. Anyway, that one don't pass. It's still trending. Yeah. Because the one, but una too like gist. Why una be like this? Una just wake up. Waiting they happen. Which celebrity they go down today? Una like this. And the thing is sweet to now. What una won't believe? Una won't just believe. Hey, you want too much. You and that your wife. They go take picture. They don't want kill us. Single people who want to die. Okay, now I don't single. What you una get? Huh? Say check on your neighbor. Neighbor will not check on me. Oh, it's okay. Now, what you hear? Before we hear honorable, off the mic. Honorable, off the mic. Now, honorable. The beads where you put for my picky hand and neck, come out. And that one with the ear now. But we're here for a special talent. I always tell people that Nigeria is blessed with different talented human resources. And these guys, they are very, very good. As a matter of fact, they are so good to the point, even we will be like, say, we don't use it in seafront, don't shop. We know say they're good pastors. They are talented. These guys are sweet. One of them is coming out tonight. And this is somebody we love with so much passion. He was part of my open mic comedy challenge. Highly talented. I mean, I don't know how to describe him, because for you to know the description, for you to always see him on the platform, AY Live, and when we travel together, it's just an indication of the fact that he's highly talented. Tonight is a special night for him. And I'll tell you how best we can do this. We can make it memorable because it's being recorded, and perception too na part of this business. The one that they receive and so the rest of the world will not there here. Go to receive them and appreciate them. So what I would like for us to do is to give him that resounding ovation. We'll go, if you can stand, not if you can stand,
bros,
just do it.
Nigeria, so you say stand. Because even if you say stand, from go sit down.
Yes, I know.
So Morias have made a stand for a small thing.
Yeah. No,
even if nobody stand, you stand. Stand first, stand.
Stand, what is the thing? Understand what you want to. How much you don't make? Come on, stand up.
Bro, this life now, wow. You know, so they do when they invite people for podcast. Ain't need 4 podcasts to explain now. You go the first one, come second one, go. And in Nigeria, they be bastard. They say, let him see how it is.
See, yeah? you know one stand true.
He goes down now. I'm a big guy. Now my guy. This guy money. Bros, no, this guy.
Okay. As you know, great stand, so I want call billionaire, maybe billionaire stand. Now billionaire, we won't go call just
M.O.P. Laughing Star.